Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a glowstone ring made with diamond dust, meteorite shavings, and bello opal. I'm also going to be having a giveaway for this ring, so stay tuned until the end of the video to find out more information. To start, I'm going to use a center bit to get my hole started. Now I'm going to switch to a drill bit to finish my hole. Now I'm going to switch over to my lathe bit, and that's going to allow me to precisely adjust the inside diameter of this ring. Now that we're finished hollowing out the ring blank, we're going to swap over to our parting bit and separate the ring from the rest of the material. Before I start shaving down the outside diameter of the ring, I'm going to hollow out the inside a little closer to the final ring size. Now we're ready to start trimming down the outside diameter of the ring. Now it's time to cut the inlay channel into the ring blank. I have measured and marked my desired dimensions. Now I'll carefully cut out the channel until it reaches 1.5 millimeters in depth. Starting with the opal, I'll try and place it unpredictably around the ring. If the inlay pieces are too evenly spread apart, it will look unnatural. Starting at 180 grit sandpaper and finishing at 2000, I'm going to be giving this ring a mirror polish. Again, I'm having a giveaway starting today until next Friday the 14th. If you'd like to enter, just give this video a like and subscribe to my channel and you will automatically be entered into the giveaway. Thanks for watching.